A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the physics class, children. Now, as you well know that in the last class, we discussed about the types of friction. Yes, we discussed about different types of friction. That is static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. Then after that, we had some revision tests because the tests were appearing. Now, children, we are in today's class, we'll be studying about fluid friction. Now, this is another sort of friction, another way in which friction is provided by, or friction is offered by the objects. Now, this friction, fluid friction. Now, fluid, what do we consider under fluid? Fluid में कौन-कौन सी चीजें आती हैं? Tell me.
Ma'am, gas and liquid are liquids and gas together are known as fluids.
Liquid and gases, they come under the category of fluids. Okay, so we will be talking about, now all of you write down where the word fluid is written. Over that, write down gases and liquids so that you understand the meaning of fluids. Generally, people think that fluid include only liquid, but it's not that. It includes liquid and gases as well. Please write down quickly so that you remember this. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, fluid friction, when we are talking about fluid friction, it is the friction which is offered by the liquids or by the gases. If, as you're well aware, that when I was telling you about friction, I told you that friction is the force that opposes the motion of an object. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which opposes the motion of an object. Like when I was telling you, I told you that, like, supposing we are walking on the road, what happens when we are walking on the road? We are being stopped after some time. Similarly, if a ball is rolling on a surface, it stops automatically without any other, you can say, without any force which we can see that is stopping. Still, it stops on its own. Why it is happening? It is because, why? Because the force of friction is stopping the motion. It is opposing the motion of any object or any human being. The same way, when we talk about the fluid friction, children, here we will see that the fluids, that is the gases and the liquid, these also oppose the motion of the objects or the bodies. Like if we talk about fish, they live in water. So they also, their friction is offered by water, because of which the motion becomes somewhat difficult. So their motion is also opposed. Now here when we talk about liquid and gases, we need to know that as they offer the friction, so we need to know that this depends on the viscosity. All of you please pay attention on the word viscosity. Viscous means, हिंदी में आपको बता देती हूँ कि क्या कितना गाढ़ा चीज है. Okay, thick कितना है. Like you all have seen honey. Everyone has seen honey.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Honey कैसा होता है? What type of liquid is honey? It is a liquid, but what type of liquid?
Ma'am, thick.
Ma'am,
Thick.
thick.
Yes, it is very thick.
Yes,
Similarly, if I talk about paint, everyone has seen paint. Paint which is used to paint the doors
Yes, ma'am.
and windows.
Yes, ma'am.
What about that paint? Is it thick or very
Ma'am, thin.
huh?
Thin. Ma'am, thin.
Yes, that is also very thick. Now, listen carefully. Now, here it means that when we are talking about the viscosity, it means that I am talking about when an object is going to move through it. If supposing any object is going to move through that paint or has to move through that honey, what do you think? Will it be easy for the object to move, or it will be difficult?
Ma'am, it will be difficult for the object.
Ma'am, it will be difficult.
Yes, it will be difficult. Why it will be difficult? Because it is thick. When something is thick, something is viscous, the motion is difficult. It becomes difficult to move. Fine. And in the same way, if we talk about an organism, now if an organism has to move or any object has to move through something which is less viscous, a liquid which is less viscous, then what do we see? Then we see that the motion is easy. It is not as such
And fast.
difficult.
Easy.
Okay. Yes. So this is how we understand the viscosity. Fine, children. This is how we understand the viscosity. So now, if anybody asks you what is viscosity, you understand how much thick the liquid is, or how much less thicker the the liquid is. That refers to the viscosity. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This much is clear to everyone. So now understand. Are you all of you, please put your cameras off so that you are able to see me, children? Are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And me
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are page number 151. Who is asking for the page number now? Okay. All of you, please put your cameras off so that you
Ma'am,
are
the
able
board
to
is blurry.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the
board
board
is
is blurry. Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
blur.
board is
Ma'am, it's
blurred.
blur.
What is blood?
Oh,
Blurry.
I'm that is what. Is this line visible? Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
now
No,
you
ma'am.
are also blur.
No, ma'am.
Wait, don't worry. Actually, the thing is, I am not able to see the screen. That is why. Now just tell me, is it okay now?
No,
See, when all
ma'am.
Ma'am.
your cameras off, only
Excuse
then
me,
you'll be
ma'am.
able to see. Yes.
Ma'am, when you joined, you turned on the blur of background. That's why it is blur. Ma'am, if you put it off, it will be clear.
I have not done anything. No, I have not done anything.
Ma'am, it
It's
automatically comes. Ma'am, we have
I
to
have.
off it.
Okay, then it's okay. Don't worry. It's not something very important. Not as such a diagram. I'll explain it to you like that. Okay. Don't worry. Now, supposing, see, I'll just move my hand and maybe that you are able to understand. Like, just see, imagine, like, supposing there's a bee, okay, a house fly, it falls in the honey. आप देखते कैसे धीरे 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 मूव करती है. It is not able to move as quickly as it moves normally. Why? Because the liquid is very, very viscous. It is very, very thick. So the motion becomes a little difficult for it. Why? Now understand that now comes what we are actually trying to discuss. The role of friction. It is offering friction which is making the movement of the housefly, movement of that insect slower. Why slower? Because it is offering the friction. Is this much clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
Yes,
more
ma'am.
importantly, one more important thing is that this viscosity is also called drag. It is a force which is also called drag. So this, please underline these two words on page number 151. Under the heading fluid friction, you see the first paragraph, and in that you see fluid friction force is also called drag or viscosity. Please underline that, drag or viscosity. Now, what has to be done? Now, see, these animals which live in water, it obviously they'll keep living in water. They are not going to leave the water because of the force of friction. So, how they are going to manage? How they manage? They manage with their streamlined shape. If you remember in class 7 also, we have discussed about this when we were talking about the adaptations. Yes or no in biology? So,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Shape, children, which is narrow from front. As you can see my hand, it is narrow from front, broad in between, and you can see it is bifurcated at the end. I have just turned it, I flipped it. So it is pointed from front, broad in between, and if you see the last portion, the end portion, it is bi means divided into two. The same way, do you see the body of the fish? Yes or no?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you see the body of the fish in the same way. And then tell me some other objects that have streamlined shape.
Ma'am, ship. Ma'am, ship.
Ma'am, shit.
Ma'am, boat.
Ma'am,
Very
boat.
good. They
Ship.
have so they have to move in water, and they also have the streamlined shape. Fine, children. They also have the streamlined shape. So this streamlined shape, all of you now listen carefully. This streamlined shape it helps cutting through the it helps to overcome this force of friction, and this is how the motion is possible. The same way, there are objects, there are organisms that have streamlined shape, and they have to move not in water, not in liquid, but in the air. You've seen birds, they also have streamlined shape. Then what other means of transport do you see flying in the air?
Ma'am,
Aeroplane,
Ma'am,
helicopter.
Plane.
helicopter.
Airplane. Airplane.
Also has
Helicopter.
streamlined shape. Again, just imagine the shape. From front it is narrow. From middle it is
Broader.
Broad. Ma'am,
Broad.
broad.
Broader.
Hello. So this is how we come to know that streamlined shape is helpful in overcoming the friction which is offered by air and by the
Ma'am, water. Ma'am,
By
liquid.
Gases.
yes, by liquid.
Water.
And as we see the viscosity is more, what will be the effect on the motion of any object?
Ma'am, the motion will be
difficult.
Ma'am, the motion will be, ma'am, it will difficult to move the
Difficult.
object.
also.
Difficult.
Motion will be
Because it
less.
is going to offer more friction. And more friction, that means the force that is applied in moving, that means the speed will be reduced. Okay, and as I gave you the example, आप खुद ही देखिए, ऐसे ही जब बहुत तेज हवा चल रही होती है, बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है तो we have to apply a lot of force to move because it is stopping our motion. So the same. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now all of you quickly just do one thing. Read this paragraph, the second paragraph under the heading fluid friction. Just quickly read it. You don't have to read it aloud. Voice should not reach me. You read it and just see that if it is okay. Any problem? Tell me.
Ma'am, no problem.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
no problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what's cold honey? Ma'am, what is the difference between cold honey and hot honey?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, is it the temperature or something else? Ma'am, I want to know that what is the difference between cold honey or hot honey? Is the difference between them are
Hiram, your voice is not at all clear, beta. You can send
Ma'am,
me
she.
Ma'am, she is asking about the difference between cold honey and hot honey.
Hot.
Oh, see, cold honey and hot honey. This is what you said.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, see. Just see. When it is cold,
temperature?
any liquid that is containing sugar, when it sets, जब रख देते हैं आप, thick हो जाता है, जम जाता है. Yes, so it becomes thick. And then you have to, supposing एक bottle में आपने रख दिया, अब वो क्या हो गया? Thick हो गया. Now if you have to take it out from the bottle, it's not coming out because it has turned very, very thick. ऐसे ही sauce जब आप fridge में रखते हैं, so you have to make a lot of effort to make it move out. But when it is kept out, the temperature is high or low? Come on, quickly first tell me. Outside the refrigerator.
I'm high.
Ma'am, low.
High.
Ma'am, low.
Yes,
Low.
high. Yes, comparatively the temperature is high. जब high temperature होगा, hot होगा, तो क्या होगा? वो चीज जो जम गई है, yes, that will not be set. It will be loose, and when it is loose, it can move easily. The same way, ये तो आपने hot और उसकी बात करी. Now, just imagine, like you have taken the honey, thick honey is there. That is one thing. Second thing, like you mix some water in the honey. पानी आपने मिला दिया. Now honey will be not as thick as it was previously. है ना? So this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
difference. It is just to tell you about explain you about the viscosity. That when it is more viscous and when less. Anything else anyone wants to ask?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Shall we
ma'am.
continue? Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We move
Yes,
on
ma'am.
to the. Okay. Now we move on to another important topic, that is advantages and disadvantages of friction. Now, before I proceed to this topic, let me tell you that the most important, mostly asked question from this chapter, not only in this class, but in the other classes when you go to senior classes, most expected question, and when you discuss also, when you know about friction, right now you are studying it as a topic in your science, but generally when people talk about friction, there is a question that is often discussed, and that is if friction acha hai ya bura. Generally it is asked that it is good or it is bad. So let me tell you, abhi yahin par, please understand, if such type of question you come across anywhere, not only in your question paper, in your exam paper, anywhere, if you come across such type of question ki अच्छा है या बुरा है, तो फट से नहीं कह देंगे मैम बड़ा अच्छा है या बड़ा बुरा है. No, you will always give your answer that there are some good points of friction and there are some bad points about friction, but we cannot say as it is that it is good or it is bad. Do not give a straight away answer. Because why? Because when we will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of friction, children, we will see that there are several disadvantages, but still, since we need it in our regular day life, in our regular life, everyday life, so we cannot say that it is not good, it is bad for us. So you should not give a straight away answer. पहली बात. दूसरी चीज, if you remember when I started the chapter, when I was telling you about the introduction of the chapter, I told you that if friction is not there, तो मैम भी तैर रही होती, आप भी तैर रहे होते, और कोई पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कुछ नहीं हो रही होती, ना हम लिख पाते, ना हम बैठ पाते, ना हम खड़े हो पाते, ना हम चल पाते. So now you understand how important friction is, but at the same time, there are some of the things which are not good because of the friction force. So we will read the advantages and disadvantages one by one. Whatever I said, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So now please turn your book to page number 152. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of friction. The first one, children. It is because advantages. Advantages means the good points, the merits. If the merits are asked, write the merits. Advantages ke upar hi merits likh lijiye. So that if merits are asked, that means you understand that yes, advantages, we have to write the advantages of friction. And where disadvantages heading is written, there only write down demerits. D-E-M-I-M-E-R-I-T-S, merits and demerits. Merits, demerits. This also means the same. Merits, advantages, demerits, disadvantages. Fine. So the first one, it is because of friction that we are able to walk, as I just said. हाँ, अगर नहीं होता तो ना चल पाते, ना खा पाते बैठ के, ना कुछ खेल पाते, कुछ भी नहीं. बस we just keep sliding all the time from here to there. Yes, I have not written anything on the board. I've just written the spelling of merits and demerits. It is because of some problem, I think, that it has happened. I have not done it. That it is blur. I've just written the spelling of merit and demerit.
Ma'am, you
All of
can
these,
turn it off.
yeah, huh?
Ma'am, you can turn it off. Ma'am, the option of blur my background.
Actually, Iram, the option is not. I know I can turn it off, but the option is not available right now on the screen. I think
No,
it is.
ma'am. Ma'am,
coming
if you
from-
will click on the video button, then it will be there.
No, the options, because it is not taking the responses. It is performing very slow. If I put off the camera, बहुत देर में camera off होगा. There is some network issue, I think, here, because the net connectivity is not available in the school right now. So that is why maybe. Fine, it's not a problem. We don't need a board right now. We are on such topic that it will be managed. So then we could have just sliding. We would have just kept sliding from here to there. In case, what was there? In case friction was not there. So this is the first advantage, very important thing, that जब हम एक जगह रुक ही नहीं पाएंगे तो हम करेंगे क्या? Then the friction, because of the friction, tires and the road enables the vehicles to move. As I just told you that the tires, they are in contact with the surface of the road, and because the surface of the road, it provides friction, and it is because of that, not only the vehicles, but the tires of your cycle, why they are able to move. अगर friction नहीं होता तो वो तो slide होके गिर जाते, गिर जाती cycle, हम भी गिर जाते. The same way, the motion of the vehicle is possible because of the force of friction. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Many of the time it happens that when you are riding a bicycle, आप चला रहे, and sometimes if you come across a road where, sorry children, where sand is there, and you are in speed. If you cycle slowly, then it is okay, you'll be able to manage to cross it. But if you're in a speed, then many of the time you observe that you fall. Why is it so?
Ma'am, because the friction becomes less.
Ma'am,
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 because
it
sand
decreases.
exerts more friction.
That
Ma'am, because friction
Yes, because
decreases.
yes, though sand is a rough thing and it provides more friction. Rough object provide more, but when you are in speed and the sand is spilled everywhere like that, in that case, we see that we fall because it is not able to form proper contact. It slides up and it falls. Now, third, friction causes the brakes of the vehicles to function, and because of the application of the brake, we are able to stop our vehicles. अगर ब्रेक ही नहीं लगेगा तो फिर गाड़ी चलती रहेगी, फिर पता नहीं कहाँ तक ही चलेगी, है ना, और हम कहाँ पहुंचेंगे, और एक्सीडेंट्स भी होंगे. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
next point is friction between the matchstick and the matchbox. आपने देखा है कुछ डॉट 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 जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स रहते हैं मैचबॉक्स पे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great structure. And when you take the matchstick and you try to strike it on the matchbox, on that particular portion, then what happens? Then you are able to light it. The spark is produced, the flame is produced, and you can use it wherever you want. So it is also because of the friction. It rubs, and the rubbing process, as I have told you, that friction produces heat. When you rub your hand right now, just try it. You rub your hand and you feel warmth. Similarly, in winters, this is a very general common process. People keep doing like this. It is only because by rubbing, friction is there and it also produces heat and we feel comfortable. So the same way, friction between the matchbox and the matchstick, it helps in producing the flame, and this flame can be used. Then friction between pen, pencil, paper, it allows you to write. नहीं तो बस मैम बोर्ड पे लिखना शुरू करती और पता नहीं कहाँ जाता हाथ. And the same way, when you start writing on the copy, you could not write. So it is only because of the friction between the pencil or your pen that you're using and the surface that you're using. Ma'am is using the board and the chalk. So it is because of the contact between the two that ma'am is able to write, and the same way it is able to form contact, that is your pen or the pencil which you're using on your paper. You are able to form the contact, proper contact, and because of the friction, you are able to move it in a proper way. कितना सुंदर सुंदर लिखते हैं, कर्सिव राइटिंग में लिखते हैं, कुछ तो बहुत ही सुंदर लिखते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Of friction. Friction nahi hota, so we could have not. Yes, we could have not utilized these things. We could have not used these things to write. Fine. Any problem till here, children? Anyone?
No,
No,
no, ma'am.
No,
You
ma'am.
want to ask about the advantages?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now
No,
we
ma'am.
talk about the disadvantages. Disadvantage is the first one. Friction causes wear and tear of the machines and of the objects. Now see, as I told you that friction produces heat. So when the machines are working, they are striking each other. Yes, and they produce a lot of heat. When they produce a lot of heat, आपने देखा है मशीन के जो पार्ट्स होते हैं वो खराब हो जाते हैं, कोई भी मशीन, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी पर्टिकुलर, इवन द फैन, आप देखते हैं कुछ टाइम के बाद चै 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 करना लगता है, पड़ता है एंड करने लगता है, एंड यू हैव टू चेंज द part. Yes, the same way other machines also, not only fan, the other machine, because of the continuous work where you see motion, friction, friction is there, it produces heat, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे parts खराब हो जाते हैं. Many of the time they need to be repaired and they need to be replaced. It is because of friction. This is one of the demerits or disadvantage of the force of friction. Is it actually there? ऐसा होता है सच में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That causes the damage to the machines and their parts. Then next, friction also causes a lot of waste of energy in the form of heat. As I just told you that heat is produced. So the actual energy which you are providing, like electricity, supposing you are using for a machine to run or any other source of energy, that source of energy sometimes get wasted because much of the electricity, or you can say much of the force, is used in generating heat, which is produced due to friction. So जो actual movement में या actual काम में आना था, वो energy किस में convert हो जाती है? Heat में. So that is somewhere gets wasted. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The third
Yes,
point
ma'am.
is saying that it leads to the wastage of the electrical energy. The same way, because that electrical energy which you were actually trying to use for some other purpose, is getting wasted as it is producing heat. The same thing is written as machines require more energy to run due to friction and friction created in moving the parts. So what should be done? If there is any damage or any problem with the machinery, with the machines that you're using at home, they should be repaired very quickly. Otherwise, there is a lot of load on the machine and a lot of energy is also getting wasted. So in case अगर आपके घर में ऐसा होता है, please tell your parents to get it repaired as quickly as possible, so as to avoid less wastage, more wastage. Then friction slows down the motion of vehicles on the road or the aircraft in the sky. As I told you that even air offers friction, it produces friction. And the same way on the vehicles also, when the vehicles are moving. Now, the ones which are moving on machines, the petrol, that is not an issue. But जो cycle चला रहे हैं, जो रिक्शा चला रहे हैं, carts, जो animals खींच रहे हैं, वो continuous work कर रहे हैं और वो थक जाते हैं. Like you must have also seen when you're cycling, एक time के बाद आप बहुत थक जाते हैं, you want to take rest. Why it is so? Because you are trying to move in opposite direction of the force which the friction is. Friction is trying to stop you. Ruk jao, and you are trying to overcome that force of friction and you're trying to move ahead. So the same way we see that because we are overcoming that friction again and again, which is offered by the surface, by the road on which we are moving. So we have to apply a lot of force, apply a lot of energy. When we apply a lot of energy, of course, thak to jayenge hi hum log. Yes. So this is about the advantage and disadvantage of friction. How will I end? By telling you something that is important, that friction is a necessary evil. अब homework ये है, सबको एक paragraph लिखना है, not from internet. You will not copy from net, you will not copy from Google, but you will apply your brain and you will write a paragraph which can be of 6 to 7 lines, 8 lines, depending on your choice, about friction is a necessary evil. Please note down, friction is a necessary evil. On this topic, you have to write a paragraph. Okay, children? So this is how we have come to the end of today's class. Till we meet again, take care of yourselves.
Ma'am, in the fair copies we have to write. Ma'am, in the fair copies we have to write.